Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, new and attractive crochet curtain designs, beautiful ideas, new and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet curtain designs. Most beautiful, most lightly trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and trendy crochet curtain designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful and attractive crochet curtain designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet curtain designs if you know crochet work. You can make these very beautiful crochet curtain designs with matchings, with bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers and many more ideas. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video.